You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this studio. In Japanese it is said as Ghibli, Ghibli. So in English it is correct to say it as Ghibli. Yes, because this is not Italian. Yes, there is a Maserati car called Ghibli, but no, the name of the studio is as Ghibli, from Japanese Ghibli. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.